Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to be doing a roundup of some of the coolest new gadgets that I have come across recently. These are products that I think are truly innovative and have the potential to make our lives easier, more fun and more productive. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Number 1 is TCL RayNeo X2. TCL has just announced the RayNeo X2, the world's first binocular full-color micro-LED optical waveguide AR glasses. These glasses are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform and offers a number of impressive features including a 100,000:1 contrast ratio, image brightnesses of up to 1000 nits, real-time multi-language dialogue translation, smart navigation with SLAM system, gesture recognition, map showing nearby landmarks, and an all-in-one smart assistant. The RayNeo X2 are designed to be comfortable and lightweight, and they can be worn over prescription glasses. They are also compatible with a variety of smartphones, so you can easily connect them to your device and start using them right away. Number 2 is Yeelight Cube. The Yeelight Cube is a smart LED light that can change color and brightnesses to match your mood or the atmosphere of your room. It can also be controlled with voice commands, making it even easier to use. The Yeelight Cube is a fun and versatile gadget that can be used for a variety of purposes. You can use it to create a relaxing atmosphere in your living room, add a splash of color to your bedroom, or even use it as a nightlight. The Yeelight Cube is also a great gift for anyone who loves technology and home decoration. The Yeelight Cube is available in a variety of colors and styles, so you can find one that fits your personality and decor. It is also very affordable, making it a great option for people who are on a budget. Number 3 is HTC Vive XR Elite. The HTC Vive XR Elite is a sleek and stylish headset that's designed for comfortable. It's lightweight and well balanced, and the adjustable head strap and soft face padding make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The headset also has built-in speakers and a microphone, so you can hear and communicate with others without having to wear headphones. The HTC Vive XR Elite is powered by a high-performing Qualcomm Snapdragon XR1 processor and has a vibrant AMOLED display with a resolution of 2160 by 2160 pixels per eye. The combination delivers a smooth and immersive VR experience with high frame rate and clear detailed visuals. The headset also has a wide field of view of 120 degrees, which allows you to see more of the virtual world around you. Number 4 is JBL Bar 1300X. The JBL Bar 1300X is a high-end soundbar that delivers truly immersive sound with its 11.1.4 channel configuration, including a firing drivers for Dolby Atmos and DTS-X support. The Bar 1300X fills your room with sound that seems to come from all directions. The soundbar also have a power 12-inch wireless subwoofer that delivers deep impactful bass. In addition to its immersive sound quality, the JBL Bar 1300X is also packed with features. It includes HDMI EARC with 4K Dolby Vision pass-through, so you can enjoy the latest in high-definition audio and video. The soundbar has also built-in Wi-Fi with AirPlay, Alexa multi-room music, Chromecast built-in, so you can stream your favorite music and movies right from your phone or tablet. The JBL Bar 1300X is a great choice for anyone who wants the best possible sound quality from their soundbar. It's also a great option for movie lovers and gamers who wants to experience the ultimate in immersive sound. Number 5 is Charge3Go. This innovative wireless charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once. Whether you are at home, in the office or traveling, the Charge3Go keeps your devices powered up so you can stay connected. The Charge3Go is compatible with a wide range of QI-enabled devices including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones and Apple Watches. It also features a dedicated charging spot for AirPods. With its sleek design and convenient features, the Charge3Go is the perfect way to keep your devices charged and ready to go. So if you are looking for a hassle-free way to charge your devices, the Charge3Go is an excellent option. With its compact design, fast charging speeds and wide compatibility, the Charge3Go is the perfect accessory for any busy person. I hope you like these gadgets. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.